Top 10 education institutes in Australia. Search over 20 course information. Colliers in Australia largest learning comparison site. Matching student with courses, search, review, compare and find the right study option for you from over 20 million. Courses, views, courses, secure payments, multiple payments options. Search courses, student, central, about, Colliers, search providers. Monash College, Australia, your pathway to a top 100 uni. Explore the option of foundation year, diploma and English language courses. Monash College is a key pathway for international students to join Monash University Foundation study programs. Engineering in Australia is study from home, apply now. We provide industry-driven courses in small size group. Government funding is available. Massive online library of resources. Materials is EMQ and CAP. Training 1000 plus question with answer. 2-day RANZIP EMQ and CAP training. Register today and pass your exam live and online. Western Sydney University, Sydney City Campus. Warwick Institute of Australia, University of New South Wales Business School, University of Tasmania, Tasmanian Schools of Business and Economics, University of Tasmania College of Science and Engineering, University of New Wales, University of Business School, Sydney. Top schools and universities in Australia 2021 Master Studies. People also ask which is the number one university in Australia. The best university in Australia according to the ranking is the University of Melbourne, the only university in the country to make the top 50 of the overall world ranking 13. Best university in Australia, student times higher education. Which study is best in Australia? The top 10 degrees that international students study in Australia are a mix of skills that will help them gain employment and increase chances of successful immigration. Architecture, biomedical engineering, earth sciences, computer science and information technology, physiology, tourism and hospitality management. More items. Top 10 most popular courses for international students in Australia. What is the hardest university to get into in Australia? The hardest course to get into the at Ithcon University in Engineering Science at 92 and the University of Notre Dame says it take a more holistic approach to admissions and requires more than just an ATR in order to apply. The easiest and the hardest university course to get into. Which is the best school in Australia? Top 150 secondary school in Australia. School name, school type. James Roos Agriculture High School, Government. North Sydney Girl High School, Government. North Sydney Boys High School, Government. Sydney Girls High School, Government. Top secondary school in Australia, Clio Learning. Which master degree is most valuable in Australia? Top 5 PG courses in Australia. Engineer and technology continue to attract students from across the world to Australian university. Accounting and finance, management, education, computer science, and informational technology. Top 5 PG courses in Australia. Shiksha.com, Shiksha Study.